and say hello to some chickens? You come and say hello? You're not scared of them, are you? Layla? Uh-oh. Beautiful New Year's Day today, rather cold. Layla, come and say hello. Come and say hello. She's scared. You can't be so scared. Right, come here there. Hi, up chickens. These are rescue chickens, ex-bounty. You can't attack the chickens. Good job I had you then, isn't it? Right, it's going to be nice now. You need to get to know things. Yeah, basically they're ex-bounty chickens, rescue ones. And Layla, look at muscle on their legs. Right, we're going to be nice to the chickens. If I let go, she just wants to go and get them. Layla, be nice. I had a similar situation with old dog Becky. Went to a very nice place and it was full of people, a nice summer's day. And Layla, get down. Basically in front of all these people, Becky got lost off the lead and she went and pinned a chicken down in front of everybody. Didn't do anything, just pinned it down. Kids screaming. So I don't think I'll be letting her off the lead anytime soon. Come on then. Crazy dog. Happy New Year's.